try to understand, I won't ask you why. I can see it in your eyes, you've said goodbye. My love couldn't stay in your fragile heart. We were close together, now we're worlds apart. You're no longer here to dry my tears. Now I face the silence, face my fears. All that's left beside me in the end is a lonely shadow I can't pretend. Love fell on me like springtime rain, but it left behind a quiet pain. I'll try to understand, I'll let you go. I'll try to understand. You told me to forget, to walk away, like all our love was just yesterday. Now you dream of a world so bright and new, but there's no place in it for me and you. Memories linger, they won't fade. Every promise that we made, why can't the moment stay alive? Why do only broken hearts survive? Your voice still echoes in the rain, calling me to leave again. I'll try to understand. So I'll pray that I'll be forgotten. Let this aching heart grow numb. I hope love won't find me ever again when all is said and done. Do I have to leave? Do I have to break? How much more of this can I take? I'll try to understand, though I'm torn apart, holding on to pieces of a broken heart. Springtime love became a memory, now it's just a ghost inside of me. Separation falls like winter rain, leaving only scars that still remain. You found a life that I can't command, still I whisper. I'll try to understand.